So as a lot of you might remember, we picked up this cool little Model 3 die-cast car from Tesla directly. And I know a lot of you have been commenting, where's the Roadster? Unfortunately, Tesla hasn't made one yet. As soon as they do, trust me, there'll be a video. But for now, we have this Model 3, and I wanted to replicate my Model 3 with this, but this one has that black interior, and mine has that white interior, or at least did. We have the racing seats in, they're gonna be coming out for some other videos, what have you, but I wanted that white interior on this. So I mentioned that in the last video, and a lot of you commented that you want to see that, so that's exactly what we're doing today. Cue a box from Tesla. So this is actually the blue one, which it's colored red on there, but I'm assured it's the blue one. Anyway, this is supposed to be the blue one, and it has the white interior. So we're going to see today, is it possible to Frankenstein two of these together, take the white interior out of this one, put the black interior in it. And I know there's other colors that actually have that white interior, but turns out a lot of people reached out to me and said they have the blue and they would be interested if I did the color swap. So I figure that way I at least have more chance of being able to resell this, because I won't need a blue one with black interior. So if you do have the black interior with the blue and you are interested in it, I'll leave like an email down below. I'm gonna give first dibs though to the people that already reached out to me, and then if for some reason they're no longer interested, I'll start reaching out to some other people. But you get this certificate of authenticity. And here you get this. And still packaging with tissues, so that's great to see. And here's that blue, that beautiful white interior. Oh, I love the white interior so much. So here you can really see that white interior from above. You have the 5 seats, you have that dash. Everything else should technically be the same except for that white interior. So we're gonna see if we can't swap these. It should be interesting. I'm probably gonna start trying to take apart the blue one. So we'll sit the white one to the side. No, not gonna sit it there. It's a bad idea. And I figure we'll start with the blue one in case for some reason it isn't possible. We ruin this one, which would still suck because these are $250 a piece, mind you. But at least we would still have our white one intact. But there are some screws behind these front wheels. Those are the only visible screws I can see. So we're gonna start by taking those apart and seeing if we can't like just swap the shell maybe. I honestly have no idea how this is gonna go. And because we don't want to scratch this roof up by laying it, we're just gonna sit it on a microfiber. That way it stays in good shape for whoever the potential new owner is. Got that screw out. Got that one out. And that doesn't seem to have done anything. Looking at this though, it does appear that this piece right here is one, and then this piece right here is one. So we're gonna try to see if maybe we can pop those off and there might be more screws underneath. I'm not seeing any screws though, so that's a little concerning. Okay, so we see our first 2 screws right here. We now have a Model 3 with no rear wheels. But yeah, we're just gonna keep diving into this. I'll probably just time lapse this because this will probably be kind of boring. Oh wow. So there's the base with the front wheels still attached. So these front wheels right here do actually turn, which is really cool. So here's the little mechanism right here. You can kind of see that turn with it. That just fits right in here. And moving the steering wheel moves this back and forth. And here you can see the steering wheel moving back and forth. It's a pretty interesting little mechanism there. Oh, no, that's for the trunk right there. And then there's 2 more under that, and that's probably what's holding all this. No, that was definitely for the trunk. Okay. We got him. Wow, like seeing this up close, you can actually see there's these little like metal seat belts even. Like down in here and right there. So here you can see like the steering wheel, and you can see the headliner and everything. All that's gonna be the same as the one on mine. Here you can see the little seatbelt buckles on here too. I didn't realize this until just now. All these doors have the white. We still need to get the dashboard out, so let's try for the dashboard. I think that'll probably be easiest. Hopefully it's just these two screws. Okay, so we got the dashboard out. We literally basically just have a body left. So the doors. I might end up seeing if I can like pop these off. Just hope they didn't glue these on too tight, because otherwise I'll break them. And they probably did. Okay, so I don't know about the doors. They're proving to be very tricky. So either A, we can really try it and potentially risk breaking them. I mean, an option. Or B, we could just paint these ones black and paint the ones on the other one white. So I'd originally thought about taking the doors off, and originally it only worked on like the first one, of course. All the others just were not working. So we're just gonna go ahead and paint the doors on the blue one black, and we will paint the doors on the white one white. Just because this is gonna be a lot of work to get all those off and not break them. But what we can do is switch the dashboards, so the wood and the white, and we can go ahead and switch the seats, and it'll be a lot like this one right here, although it doesn't have logo and everything. Maybe we'll do that in the future, I don't know. So we'll go ahead and just start putting them back together. These hoods are actually pretty interesting, how the hoods and the trunks go, because when you do put them back together, you have to make sure you line up. There's a little piece on the trunk and one on the body. You have to make sure you line those up. It's kind of basically like the gas struts. And then parts like this, I'm gonna wait till I get the glue just to make sure it all stays on there nice and tight like it should, because you can kind of see here, you can see a little glue around like all the little pegs. Okay, blue one is all done. Everything is working with that black interior. Now, yes, it does still have the white on the doors, but we're gonna go ahead and pick up some paint a little later and fix that. Now, let's go ahead and put the white one back together. See how it looks with white on white. Okay, here is the white on white. Reminds me of my car. Looks so much better, in my opinion, than the white with the black interior. Actually, all my Teslas are white on the exterior, white on the interior, and I absolutely love the white interior. And this looks just as good, minus the doors, which we're gonna fix. But I need to go to the store, get some little hobby glue and some white and black paint. This is just like model glue. That's all I bought, and then I bought some cleaner for brushes, a semi-gloss black for the doors on this, and they didn't have semi-gloss white, so we went with a flat white for the doors on this. Okay, so I guess that's pretty much it for now. If you guys want to see this car decaled the same as that, definitely drop it down below. I do still need to put a few more coats of paint on the doors of each of these. The black actually worked out really well with one coat, but I'll probably put another just to make sure everything is hidden like the white. Now the white's gonna need probably like 4 or 5 coats. So definitely go check out my Instagram page. I'll link it all down below. That is where I will go ahead and post photos when I am fully finished. But as of right now, I think it looks great having the blue with the black and now the white one with the full white interior, just like this one. Now I do have the carbon fiber dash from Abstract Ocean right now, so maybe I should put carbon fiber on this one. I don't know. Comment down below if you guys want to see that, and maybe that'll be a future episode. But that's pretty much it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. A lot of you commented and said you want to see the switch done, and there you have it. I would say go ahead and do it yourself, but the door panels are very tricky and you're better off just painting them. Trust me, they will break. So if you want to do the switch, definitely just keep that in mind, but it is something you can actually do yourself pretty easily. And definitely if you guys do the switch, definitely tag me in any photos you post so that I can check them out, because I would love to see them. But that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, huge thanks to our channel sponsor, Abstract Ocean, for helping sponsor the channel and making fun projects like this possible. If you guys are looking to accessorize your Model S, X, or Model 3, much like this one behind me, definitely check them out, all linked down below. Using code TESLAINVENTORY, all one word, will get you 15% off your first order. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. Go and click here to subscribe. Here for some other ones. We'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.